አኮኩሉ ፋሚሊ የመረጃ የምክርና የአውታረ መረብ መድረክ ነው። ለእናንተ ጠቃሚ የሆኑ መረጃዎችን በጤና፣ በትምህርት፣ በንግድና በተለያዩ የማህበራዊ ጉዳዮች ይዘላችሁ ይቀርባል።
The federal judge's decision on August 1st has changed the story of parole deportees. This parole system is an authority in immigration process that allows Latin America's, South America's immigrants to come into the United States legally, especially under Biden's administration, which was open. This program was started in that time. And then, this immigrants legally from Haiti, Venezuela, Nicaragua, El Salvador, you name it, they're coming to the United States as long as they have a relative, parents, or friends who can support them, provide shelter, food, clothing, and then finally they're able to work in the United States. So this has been a process, especially if they have any, life-threatening situation back home, prosecution back home. This parole system allowed these immigrants to temporarily live in the United States. But now with the Trump's administration, that parole has been, dismissed, and these immigrants are labeled as illegal. So they have to be deported to their own home country. If it's unsafe there, they will be deported to a third country. And not sure if they can speak the language, if they can know anyone in that third country. So this has been immigrants advocates' main hot issue. So what is now happening after the judge's decision is Trump administration can no longer deport parolees. It has to allow them to have a due process in the court, in the immigration court. Not only that, ICEs, they've been waiting by the court's house, main entrance, waiting for these decisions of dismissal from the federal justice of the parolees case. And then ICE was rounding them up and deporting them with expedited process. This expedited process has been really, unrealistic with the other immigration processes because the immigration processes have so much backlog. But now with this parolees dismissal and deportation, it has expedited process. This should not be the case. This is what is the judge's decision. These immigrants have to get their own, due process in court. And not only that, ICE should not wait for them at the court gate to round them up and deport them. CBP app has allowed so many immigrants, and Biden's administration's parole has allowed at least 500,000 immigrants to come into the United States legally. Overall, 1.5 million immigrants will be affected with this decision. Advocates are saying this is a good move, and let's give them a due process, equal fair play for these parolees immigrants. I put the link in the YouTube comment for your reading reference. Good luck.
ዌብሳይታችንን አኮኩሉ ፋሚሊ.com ይጎብኙ። በሶሻል ሚዲያም ተከተሉን። አኮኩሉ ፋሚሊ